Hi guys, welcome to AI Solutions DC. Today I just want to let you know that I have built an AI-powered chatbot for my Facebook page, AI Solutions DC. This is just a simple chatbot powered by Grok and Llama LLM and SERP API. So if you're a business owner or anyone with a Facebook page and wants to integrate a chatbot that's different from the traditional chatbot of Facebook, connect with us as AI Solutions DC will help you build your own chatbot that knows about your business or organization and can chat with your customers or clients 24/7, answer FAQs instantly, and boost conversions and generate more leads. Now let's test this chatbot by asking random questions. Please visit our page to test it for yourself.